Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simple DIY. Today I'll be showing you how I did a rear differential fluid change on my 2013 Chevy Silverado. The process should be the same for Silverados and GMC Sierras from 2007 to 2013. So first we start by removing the drain bolt and having a catch can ready underneath. For the draining of the differential fluid, I tend to remove 6 bolts and leave 4 in. The 6 I'll remove are at the 6, 11, 12, 1, 4, and 8 o'clock positions, and I'll leave the 4 bolts and just simply loosen them at the 2 o'clock, 5, 7, and 10 o'clock positions. This helps me drain the fluid without the differential cover coming off or making a big mess.
Ew!
While you've got the rear differential cover off, it's a great opportunity to clean up the rust and give it a fresh coat of paint if you like. I obviously didn't, but I thought I'd make that mention to anybody who's interested. As I get the cover on, I'm starting all the bolts by hand, of course, before using any tools on them. Before I use my fluid transfer pump, I wanted to show you this method first, and I've used this successfully in the front and rear differentials. If you have the regular plastic bottles and they don't compress very well, or you don't have the Valvoline ones where they're in a squeezable package, you can use an empty water bottle, throw the fluid in there, squeeze it out, refill, repeat. It seems to work really well. Moving on, I'm using this fluid transfer pump that I bought from Amazon. And if you want to see if it's useful for you, you can check out my review of it. I'll leave a link in the top right corner. If you find this and other videos of mine helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It helps our channel to grow. Hit me up with a like or leave a comment if you have a question or an experience that you want to share. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing.